No, it's often said that Jammu and Kashmir's militancy was born out of the election of 1987. Now, I'm not here to argue with anybody about what happened in that election and who was responsible. But I will actually go a step further and suggest that Jammu and Kashmir's militancy was born actually out of 1984 and the dismissal of the Farooq Abdullah government at that time. Because it is the dismissal of the Farooq Abdullah government in 1984 that led him to get into an agreement, or what is widely known as the Rajiv Farooq Accord, which both individuals, Rajiv Gandhi before his demise and my father more than once after that, have suggested what actually was an agreement or an accord that was entered into with the best of intentions, but didn't have the best of results. And I know for a fact that my father, in numerous interviews, if you were to search an interview that he gave to Harinder Bhaveja, at that time with India Today magazine, he himself has called the Rajiv Farooq Accord as one of his historic blunders, something that he wished he hadn't done but can't undo. Because at the end of the day, what we are facing today, in effect, started from 1984, led into 1987, and today, 2018, we are still discussing a violent, bloody Jammu and Kashmir. So I dare say, had the Union respected its own commitment to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, had Jammu and Kashmir's distinct identity within the Constitution of India not been compromised, had New Delhi not felt threatened by a state that had not fully merged into the Union with its accession, then I know history is full of questions. What if this had happened? What if that had happened? But I dare say, if we had respected the agreement that had been entered into between the Union and the people of Jammu and Kashmir after accession in 1947, we would not be dealing with an alienated Jammu and Kashmir today. We would not be dealing with a bloody Jammu and Kashmir today. We would not be dealing with a Jammu and Kashmir where our neighbor has found it so easy to make life difficult for us in that state.
Subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon to get video notifications on your smartphone.